Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SKLN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here, as it was a very, very nice day. And for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, it was more so kind of the question of, was yesterday's move any sort of true strength type move, or was it just kind of a dead cat bounce? Well, we got an answer today. Yeah, yesterday's movement was a leading indicator, and today proved to be healthy. So now we got to get quite a few things updated. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning. Yes, these lines still pertain that I'm deleting, but in the spirit of not having, a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion, just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So the first update comes from a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about 265 as resistance, but now that the price is not only above it, but well above it, this would be, the overall, or I should say, the newest level of support. Ideally, going forward, hey, Clay, what would make the chart look the strongest? If the price can stay up above that pink line right there, which is the 200 period simple moving average, that would by far make the chart look, the healthiest. But if the price does drop below it, by no means am I sitting here saying that everything's ruined or anything like that, because you still have 265. If you think about it, not saying this will happen, but the price would come all the way down to 265, bounce around and head back up. And even at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows down here. You'd have that set right there. And if you picture those as stair steps, the chart would still be, from the big picture perspective, progressing in the upwards direction. And, that's what it's all about. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue on upwards, where are some of these battlegrounds at? First key level of resistance, right there at $3.60. And then the next key one, and more so the overall level, is right up here at, what is that? Oh, makes it easy, $4. $4, you can see, is essentially what knocked it down today. I realize the price got somewhat above it, but could never maintain it, which makes sense. You look back here, and, $4 also knocked it down there. But before you start talking about, doing battle with $4, breaking $4, all that good stuff, the first bridge that needs to be crossed is this area right there, again, at $3.60. No doubt about it, though, another very nice day, and it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can just continue to build these higher bases like they've done the past couple of days. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.